grew up in a family of teachers.
Right.
My father is a teacher, and my mother was a teacher. She's late now. So she was one of the best teachers.
Okay.
She would inspire me. The way she was kind to students, to learners. They could actually call a mommy at personal level. Ukuthi umntwana ngayelapha uyakwazi ukuthi angahamba
namhlanje ke ila.
Egcine tete yami umasalo, egcine sethe. So she was that person one James ukuthi khona in teaching you can inspire other people.
All right.
So lami ngagcina nje kungani kuyangena but ngikhula ngangisithi ngifuna ukuba yi-lawyer. Angazi ama visions amaphelela ngapi kumbe bagcina sebengi-lawyer angazi.
Super interesting. So what does the classroom mean to you beyond just a job?
It means to me it means it's an opportunity to inspire other people. Yeah, to inspire those young learners ukuthi it's sometimes umntwana uyabemncane kala exposure, he or she doesn't know anything, but you come and say mntanami lakho kunje phela etown kunje mntanami akukhangele asibone nama video la yabona le phela ibank le. So it brings amanye ama pictures to people in abasendaweni ezingekho. You can inspire ukuthi umntwana la ethi hayi ngafunda etown funke across itara mina funa. So it means it's an inspiration to other people's lives too.